In the upcoming webinar, we will share best practices for integrating your CRM into renewable operations. You will learn about technology that solar, EV charger, and battery storage installers are using to connect their CRM and sales operations with the rest of their software stack. Using this technology, companies have achieved profitable growth and completed more projects. Mobile Work Process Management and Automation, or MPMA for short, was designed for renewable operations. It works on mobile, offline, and offers many features that legacy systems don't. Using MPMA, companies can connect all of their tools in one hub. Today's tools are highly disconnected, creating chaos for office teams and field crews. Repeat data entry, mistakes from forgotten information, missed task handoffs, low productivity, and low quality work are just a few things that make it challenging when using a disconnected CRM for renewable operations. In this webinar, we will show you how to use automated workflows and data flows to speed up your solar, battery storage, and EV charger installations and service. You will learn how companies are using MPMA technology to connect their entire software stack, including the right integrations for flawless execution. We will talk about how to connect data flows and workflows from your CRM, design proposal, and accounting tools to every stage of your projects. See examples for building a powerful system that engages your entire team. By connecting your CRM to operations, you will get an upper hand over your competition. Registration is currently open. We look forward to seeing you at the webinar.